fridge I want. It's so expensive, man. I have to come back. Hi, birthday girl. No one to stick around. Sound crazy, but you never let me down. I have a lash appointment at 4:30 and this is now what, 3:52. I need to hurry up. One time. My lashes eat. As usual, full time. What hungry man? I'm hungry. What time it is now? Almost 7:30. Alright. I'm going in store today to get a eSIM for the new phone that I recently purchased. I want to get it like no. The old phone that I used to record and to do all my vlogs, the screen is taking its last breath. Like the screen is literally going right now. So I need to get the eSIM. I need to get the number that I'm currently using now to transfer onto the eSIM. I don't know if that's something that the service provider does, or you have to get like something new, like a new number. So I want to get my old number transfer onto the eSIM. So we're going in store to get the eSIM. After waiting for 3 hours, I got the eSIM installed. Finally can start using the phone. I'm at Rush Mart. I think this is one of the biggest distributors for appliances in Jamaica. So I'm gonna look at fridge. I've been looking at fridge for like months now to get the perfect one. So we're gonna see what type of fridge they have and see if I like any of them.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. No Uber ride at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding.
I'm gonna see any woman like. For sale price 135,000. And this is for $265 plus tax.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty.
so expensive, man. I have to come back. Oh my god. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What would I expect it to be much cheaper than Price Mart? Yeah.
Holly ain't getting back.
I want to go and get my nails refilled. It's been a month since I did this set, and they all look really well. So I want to get the latest, maybe 9:30, almost 10ish, and it's now 8:49. I'm gonna take a shower, and we're gonna see if we can leave by 8:30, by 9:30. It's 9:08. That's what I'm gonna eat at the shower.
I wish you peace, I wish you good sex and good sleep. Find a girl of your dreams, cause I sleep well at night, knowing this ain't meant to be.
It's 9:20. I need to make haste.
All good things come to an end, so let's just learn the lessons and find nothing again.
What is wrong? I'm always late, man.
But we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep.
I'm gonna fix my hair.
Find another. We ain't good, but we still good.
Alright, let's do this quick.
We enjoy the 5-star meals, but you was with me for disaster. Holding me down from the start. I used to be broke, I was ashy. I had me inside and out of shit, that's how life goes. You always would say that I might blow. Got rich and I pay for your life, oh. I know the person you is, that's why I still wanna be friends. If you wanna open up a new salon, I still help pay for the wig. And I help with the lease. You know I ain't never been cheap. Relationships don't always last, but let's not turn it to beef. I'll come through from time to time and have you grabbing them sheets. That's if you want to, I'm just playing, girl. Stop smacking your teeth. 21.
I hate the greed and make it to forever. You know, Holly ain't getting back together. But that don't mean that I can't wish you better. Good, but we still good. I realize that I can be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other.
My day take reach at the shop. So, we need to get going. Like, no. I'm gonna plan to spend the whole day. We need to get this together. Wanna tell me how the back look? They look alright? And all if it don't look alright, you know. Cause the moment she's at the shop is gonna get full. Need to get going, man. Okay, ready. Alright, so I'm ready. This is the fit. Using Valentino. Alright guys, so I'll see you later when I get these done.
Uber right at my house and call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm sliding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm sliding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear.
Excited. Why not? I'm sweet. Hi, birthday girl! I with a problem-fused chopstick legs. You'll be fine. That's always a problem. Can you believe, say, this lady, right, made a reservation and we end up at the wrong restaurant? Crazy, right? We had a good time. Yeah, you building a full? Yeah, but I your fault. You see, no one do nothing else. First and then. All you want to all she want to do, I go home to her 1 flowers.
Yeah.
1 flower she have, you know.
Get to, you know, that I study spot.
1 flower she have, if you know, you know. She want to go home to it. I remember it's red. But you have to live your life, yeah. One life you have to live. And it's a birthday moment.